Hi, my global family. Happy our Tibetan New Year. Welcome to this New Year of Fire Horse. You know what the Fire Horse means in our culture? It means action. So now we are in action. We are singing like this. La ta la le ile lu re. La la mo le inga lu re. We are dancing like this. So ma se bo ha ne ha. And my biggest action is inviting you. Watch our New Year Ghana live on the Combat TV, February 18 at 9 a.m. Come for the unique culture. Stay for the magnificent views of our Daofu. So don't just watch. Take action. We are waiting for you.